All right, good morning, everybody. We're a little late this morning. I was about to apologize. I don't know why I was about to apologize, but let's just get into the chart real quick. So actually, I had a video for yesterday that I recorded, but my mic was dead and I didn't know it. So the video was just, I scrapped it. In that video, I did a bear call and I'm gonna just show you the result of that. Here we go. If you can see, we had a bear call. There was a 4340. We said the price would not get above this point. I don't remember if we got it like 9 o'clock when I bought that. So we bought it somewhere in here. If you can see market structure, highs high, lower high, higher low, lower low, higher high, lower low. As you can see, we're just keeping market structure. We're going up, down, up. So if that's the case, that means price, that should be our recent high. And we're probably going to do this. And we're going to do something to this order block. I don't know what. We got the credit for this spread at $95. We profited all that money because price did not close above that. So we can delete that. Today, let's actually look. Let me actually go to the Discord and tell them what I see. So what I see, price is about to head down. It's going to break this level and we're going to react to this, to that order block. So if that's the case, we're going to take this down. And we're going to say price should not go above this. Do we want to say 30 or 35? This would be 30. And I don't trust 30. So I would go 35, which is right here. Price will not go above 35. I'm not really trading naked calls and puts anymore. I'm mostly doing spreads, but I'll just do one just because that's what majority of people probably want to see. I see we got that rejection right there. Let's look at some other stuff. This is going to be VIX. Let's look at like Apple, hit it down, Google down, Meta down, Microsoft down. And that will be the play that we will look at if we get a rejection here. Do we want to buy this? Because if you can see, we're right here in like this little order block area. So this might be a little... If you can see all this little chaos going on right here, we might be reacting like this was a demand zone. We might be flipping, but I think we okay. Yeah, so let's actually enter the spread. Right now the spread is $145 credit. So yeah, it's still 145. So let's actually enter on that credit. We could cash it out at like when it gets to 100, but I just hold it, baby. Because if price just keeps going, then I just keep moving this down. And as long as price doesn't get close to this, I just keep moving this down. This feels like a retest, and this is your perfect entry right here. This is what it feels like. But that candle is too big. That candle's too big. Price is, for some reason, I don't know if it's headed up or if it's maybe it's doing a liquidity pattern, or because VIX is breaking down. Apple's breaking down, Google's down, Meta, everybody is. What's Q doing? I really don't know. In my previous history, I've learned that you should leave this alone because yeah, we went. Price right here went above open, but remember we're in this little demand supply flip zone area, so you don't mess with this area. I'm just tell the group I think we're in a demand supply zone flip, and I wouldn't mess with it. I would take a put after if you break that right there, then I would take a put on my account, because all of this is just liquidity. You could almost look at it like this. That's liquidity. I don't see the line right here. Maybe you could do that. And then whatever happens here, I'd take a put. Because liquidity can go up or down. It really don't know. I'll draw this out though if you can see this. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now I would take a put. I would take a put right here. So let's just take one. I would take a put right there. I would take a put. As soon as that candle closes like that, I'll take it. And we'll just take that for 10%. And I'm cool with that. Waiting on the candle. As soon as it heads the other direction, I'd get it. And one more time. I'll get it. So we would have got a 4,300 put. Bought it at 7.6. Alexa, 7.6 times 1.1. So 8.4 is what we would close it at. Yet we still go the opposite direction. Isn't that something? See, this is really why I don't do naked plays anymore. I really like spreads now. Because even with spreads, like if the delta goes wrong, the theta still can help you out. If the delta goes right, you got that plus theta helping you out. So it's just a safer pool, man. I seriously encourage everybody to figure out what spreads are, learn them, and start trading them. Because naked options are just, at this point, they're just gambling. Okay, we're good. We should have actually profited out. I think it was it 8.7? Yeah, we just hit 8.7, 8.6. Okay, so this is currently at 9. So if you can look, we bought for 7.6 and we sold on this side for $900. So that's a nice profit. This would be our credit spread, but well, I'll just show you. We got the credit for $145. So if we wanted to close this right now, we would only pay $100. So we would make $45 per contract. That's as of right now. But truthfully, what I would do is, since we're breaking down this way, I know we're finna keep heading down. And I would just keep pushing. This is an alarm that tells me, remember, price has to stay below this level for us to make all this money by the end of market close today. So I have this alarm just as like in case price starts to do this, it's headed towards our price and it does that, then it just gives me alarm that, hey, you might want to just check out what's happening, might want to close, etc., etc. I'm gonna just keep pushing that alarm down. That's what I would do. So as of right now, I'd push the alarm to like right here. And actually, we're gonna just, I'll push it right here. If you guys have any questions, any comments, leave it down below. I'll be sure to get to it. Also, if you're interested in the Discord that I'm in, that information is in the description of this video. Yeah, that's about it. See you guys tomorrow, if my mic works out.